Okay, I know what you're all thinking. Gustav, why does the boat still look like a mess? And I don't really have any good explanation for it, but I'm gonna take care of that today, so let's get to it. Well, now it looks pretty much better, I think. I'm definitely not finished yet. I got much more to do these coming days, but yeah, I'm on my way, and soon the boat will be in the water. All of the spices have basically lost their taste during the time that I've been away, and I was gonna just spice up this lentils stew right here, and I just tried some like black pepper and cumin and different stuff, but nothing basically tastes anything, so yeah, I guess I just have to eat it like it is or something. It's time to climb the mast to do some inspection. This one right here got a string loose, so definitely gotta change that one. This one right here looks okay, and the bottom one over here looks pretty bad as well, so probably gonna have to change at least two down here. Now I'm up on the top, and there is one string loose here as well on the left stay, so I'm gonna have to change that one as well, and I think I'm gonna have to change the right one as well, so I'm gonna take down the mast in a couple of days and do that. Today it's finally time to take off the mast. Right now I'm down by the mast foot here, just disconnecting some cables and yeah, basically just making everything ready to just lift it off a little bit later. And yeah, that's basically it. It's a bit exciting because it's quite windy outside, but hopefully it's gonna turn out good. Just got off the mast, and unfortunately I couldn't film it because the rain was pouring down at that moment, so yeah, fortunately couldn't show that to you, but here you have it. And now I'm just gonna take off all the 6 side stays and label them, and then go to the place so they can make new ones. I've been labeling some tape here to tape onto all the stays, so they know which one they will make and all that, which one's gonna be where on the mast. So now it's time to go with stays to the guys who's gonna make them. I totally burned myself. I told Linn that I wasn't gonna burn myself, but now I did, so I'm sorry for that, Linn. But I promise that I'm gonna put on sunscreen from now on, okay? I got a little secret to tell you all. I actually found a cockroach. But just don't tell him, okay? Because she will freak out, so... Morning everyone. It's quite early in the morning and it's time to go do some shopping. So this is all the food that I purchased today, and I'm gonna try to store it pretty good now so I get some order in the boat, and I'm gonna get it in these little bins right here. And I'm kind of starting to like these clapping transitions, so when I clap now all the food is gonna be in here. Okay, ready? There you have it. And I think it's actually quite fascinating how much you can actually store inside of these small compartments in this boat. I'm sitting on one more here, and then a camera standing on another one, and yeah, I mean, you could just stock it up. When we crossed the Atlantic, we got it up to the limit of all of the compartments, and we had, like, when we came to the Caribbean, we had like food for 1 or 1.5 months more. So yeah, you can basically be out sailing for 2.5 months, 4 people, without running out of food. I just came back in after doing a lot of cleaning on the boat, so preparing to do some polishing and waxing tomorrow. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna eat something and then I'm gonna go to bed and get up early tomorrow morning. So yeah, just gonna do that and we'll skip to tomorrow's polishing. Okay guys, it's time to get some polishing action going. I got this clean and wax restorer, and then I got these polishing things that I got in this little pouch right here because I don't want them to get wet or dirty or anything, because then I would rub all the dirt into the gel coat again, which is not any good thing to do. So yeah, gonna get some cleaning action going. It's time to fly the drone for the first time in the Caribbean. My German neighbors here are quite keen on watching it as well, and I'm too, so yeah, gonna give it a try, see what happens. It's quite windy, so hopefully it doesn't crash into any other boat when it starts, but yeah, let's see what happens. So I've been having some issues with the charging on the batteries lately. So I've been like the voltmeters and all that have just shown 12 volts. So I haven't been too satisfied with that. But today I got some help from my German boat neighbor, and now it's all fixed. So my advice to everyone out like sailing or something: get yourself a lot of friends, because like if there's something that you don't know how to fix, then it's definitely someone else who knows it. So it worked out great. Good morning guys. I just got my new stays back for the mast, so I'm super stoked about that, and they look amazing. And it was actually not as expensive as I thought it would be, so now I'm actually gonna change one of the 4 stays as well. So maybe both of them, maybe one of them. Let's see what happens. So I decided to take a bit of a break from all work and that, and head to a little island called Hog Island. And I heard it's supposed to be like really beautiful. So right now I'm on the bridge that goes out to Hog Island. And Hog Island is actually quite well known when it comes to sailors in the Caribbean. And the reason why it's so well known is because it's this very, very protected anchorage where a lot of people put their boats up during the hurricane season. And this last hurricane season was actually really nice to Grenada. Like when the Hurricane Maria passed a bit north, the only thing that happens was basically that the water level rise like that. But it also happens to be that after the hurricane season sometimes there's a lot of people who don't actually come back to their boats. So right here in the bay, in the mangroves and so, there's a lot of boats lying just falling apart. So if you're after a sailboat and you're on a bit of a budget, just head over to Grenada and Hog Island, and I mean you can find some really old and nasty boats, but I think you can basically get them for free. So yeah, if that's what you want, then come here. The best part of this island must be this beach right here. Like it's so beautiful. You got like this deserted bar right here. You got like cliffs and stuff. Real white sand. The water is crystal clear. It's so amazing. That is it for this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, and remember to hit that subscribe button down below. And I will see you on the next happy hour. Oh no, I mean video.